Hey guys, so a quick video for you about the pros and cons of Xiaomi electric shaver S200. What are the things to be aware of? So first thing first, you don't have any blade protector cap. The lack of protective cap for blades, you absolutely need to pop it up in case if you don't want to cutting head to get banged up. So this is the first thing. Also, not ideal for dense, thick beards. It's not really built for those with a very dense beards for users seeking like premium top tier shaving experience. Full shaver limitations won't match the closeness of rotary of premium shaver. Also, auto on when rinsing is normal for the shaver to turn on while rinsing. Please dry it before also use. You need to dry it before charging, and no trimming attachment. This is like very important. This is just a basic shaving only, okay? What you can actually like expect from it, and not for heavy daily use. Better suited for touch-ups, travel, and light to medium beards. That is primarily heavy duty shaver. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope it provided you kind of like value, what you can actually like expect from it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Otherwise, it's like a good thing. Smart sensor, auto start, ultra compact, portable, IPX fully waterproof, USB Type-C charging, 60 minutes battery life, magnetic detachable head, dual track floating blades, 8000 RPM motor, excellent value. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.